All right, from the slider, we're going to create a new drawing, but this time we're going to go to Show OnShape Drawing Templates, click it, and change it to ANSI A millimeter instead of ANSI A inch, and hit OK. We'll rename our tab down here from Drawing 1 to Slider Drawing. And then we're going to grab our slider from over here, drop our front view in the lower left, our top view in the top right or top left, and then we got to click back on here to grab it, and our isometric in the top right. Move this down just a little bit to give some room for dimensions. All right, before we add our dimensions, we're going to right click and go to Show Hidden Lines to show the hole going through our front view. And we're going to add a center mark to the hole to give some dimensions, and a center 2-point center line down the center of our hole. All right, so this line should match up to this center mark. Next thing we're going to do is start adding our dimensions. So I'm going to hit D, and I'm going to give the overall length dimension here of 50. I'm going to give the distance from the center of this hole to the bottom. And I'm going to give the diameter of this hole which is 8. Now we're missing something because we need to tell how far down this hole goes. So we're giving 8 millimeters diameter, but we're not giving how deep that hole is. Right, so actually we want to add to that to give the depth. So actually we want a hole call out. So we're going to get rid of that and click on hole call out. Maybe not, doesn't work. Interesting. Okay. It should. I guess we can do it. Nope, not working that way either. And pull it out. So this is different than, yeah, this is different from Inventor too. So we want 8 inches diameter, and then that's down 20 millimeters. I don't know if it'll add it at the end. Nope, just adds 820. Weird. What if we put it down here? Yeah. There we go. So you can add it that way too. So what I did was double click the dimension, type 20 millimeters down here, and then change the insert symbol to the down symbol. So annoying that you have to do that, but keep it readable on your drawing there. Next thing we have to do is give our overall height for our top view, which is right here, 25. And we need to give the angle at which that part is. So it's not ideal that you put a dimension on a part, but for angle, unfortunately, we have really no choice, because you can't really put it out here based on how much space we have. And then we're going to right click, might have to zoom out, and go to show shaded view on the isometric. We'll change our title block to slider. This is drawing number 202. Material for the slider is wood, and my finish is red. So whatever color yours is will be your finish. All right, that's the slider. Now we're going to do the handle. So select the handle. We're going to create a new drawing. So insert new element, create drawing. Select ANSI A millimeter. Hit OK. Same thing. rename your tab, handle drawing, grab your handle, lay it that way, lay it that way, grab it, place it up here, and we can do this view as well, which is just a small rectangle. Alright, so a couple things before we do this. We need to add some center marks. Right here, center mark. Let's grab all of our circles, and notice, since it's long and skinny, it really shrinks down this drawing, but you can just zoom in. Alright, and actually we can grab our center lines, and we're just going to run from here over, because they all line up anyway. Then we can add some dimensions. So I recommend going right down the line from here. So it makes the 12 relatively large. Go smallest to medium. 87. I don't think that's right. I might have to fix that. 190. That should be... Yeah, that's right. And then 200. Alright, so work your way up like steps. If you want to bring this 12 over here, you can too. I don't know why that says 87 though. It should be 90. So let me jump to my handle and we can find out. Well, that's 75. Oh, it's 75 from that. So that means from here to here is 87. Okay, so it is correct. It's 75 from this initial circle. So yeah, 12 to this and then plus 75. That's how you get 87. So 87 is correct. Then we can just add our width there, and all we need is our thickness, which is 6. Alright, we can add hidden lines on there. You can add hidden lines on here. Pretty much anywhere where there's holes, you definitely need those hidden lines. And then we want to show our shaded view. Set up your title block. Handle. Drawing number 3. Materials also wood. And finish is gray. Alright, so that is the handle and the slider.